Hey, what's happening, man? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over what I believe to be the newest addition to the English Laundry fragrance world, and that is Charmer. As far as I know, this is their latest fragrance. I could be wrong. Comment down below and let me know if I am. I got this recently at TJ Maxx in their little pack of 4. This 4-pack they had, 3 of the 4 I didn't own, so I wanted to grab it. $19.99 for 4 little bottles. Good price. I always like when I see those out and about. Now this smells a lot like a very popular fragrance to me, and I'm going to let you know what it is. Before we get into the fragrance though, as always, you know the drill. If it's your first time here, if you enjoyed the content, subscribe and ring the bell. Now let's go over the presentation real quick. Charmer is a lot different than the other bottles I have. This one doesn't have any of the logo or whatnot. Just says Charmer up the side with English Laundry. This is an EDP concentration. Like I said, this is a small bottle, but the big bottle is going to look the same, just on a larger scale. Black cap. Does have English Laundry. The collar and whatnot's all black. And check out this cap click. You guys know I'm a sucker for the cap click. And this has a good one, baby. Oh, God, I love that. Now, I have the dry down on a test strip here, but I'm going to spray the opening again just to check out the distribution. Blech. Again, sometimes my words get in front of my brain, or my brain gets in front of my words, one of the two. I'm going to spray it again to check out the distribution and kind of relive the opening a little bit. Not bad. A little bit of a misty spray, but what do you want? I've seen worse. So I did find the notes on Macy's website, but like I said, what this smells like to me doesn't really fit the notes. So maybe my nose is defective or their notes are wrong, one of the two. But let's go over them real quick anyways. In the top, what they've got listed is bergamot, grapefruit, apple, and sea salt. Then in the mid, orange blossom, cedarwood, and jasmine. Then in the base, patchouli, amber, oak moss, vanilla, and musk. So, how does this smell to me? This is a very light and airy and bright fragrance. I've seen a few people review it, but they didn't really have a firm opinion on what this is inspired by. Because let's be real, English Laundry almost always, if not exclusively, clones or does heavily inspired by fragrances. And what this smells like to me the most is BR 540. It smells like Baccarat Rouge 540 to me. These notes don't really depict that, and this goes in a little bit different direction. Now, I'm one of the few people that doesn't like Baccarat Rouge 540. I think it smells pleasant, but I get a severe headache every time I wear it, so I just can't wear it. It rubbed me the wrong way. It's too strong and pungent for my nose. This one, to me, I do get the orange blossom. I get this nice, like a creamy orange blossom scent, and like a watered down BR 540. This is very nice. It's pleasant. I think this is kind of a mass appealing, good for everyday wear. I think it's good for nights out with your friends, maybe a date night as well. The sweet thing about this is, unlike a lot of the English Laundry fragrances that I've worn, this one performs really damn well. I'm getting 6-7 hours out of this stuff. At the 5-hour mark, it starts to taper off relatively quickly, but it's still there, and around 6 hours, it's a skin scent. And you can still find it. I can still find it if I look for it. But 6 hours is a pretty safe bet. 5 hours before it starts dying. And yeah, I think it smells like BR 540. But an orange blossom, like a creamy orange take on BR 540. Who was the reviewer? Somebody a while back did a video, and I can't draw the name. And they said that they would describe Baccarat Rouge 540 as the epitome of like the smell of crushed rubies. I just thought that was the coolest explanation ever because they nailed it. Who was that? I'm drawing a blank. I hate when that happens. But nonetheless, this has that crushed ruby smell, but like an orange, creamy orange crushed ruby smell. It's very nice. Maybe I'm crazy, like I said, but I think they were going for a BR 540 type of a DNA, and they did a pretty good job. At least that's how it comes up to my nose and my skin. Now, I will say, do not buy this at Macy's website. Do not spend $90 or $100 on this bottle. I don't like when I see English Laundry fragrances being priced that high. I think English Laundry has a great place in the fragrance community in that cheapy realm, like that super ultra cheapy realm. I know it's easy for me to say because I'm not the one behind the scenes making money on the brand, but they do well and they fit well for that category. I've bought a lot of my bottles, the big bottles, for like $12.99, $13.99, $15, $20 at the most. And I keep them in my car sometimes if one of my friends calls me after work and says, hey, let's meet up and grab a burger or whatever. I don't have anything to wear, I'm not going to stop at home, I'll just grab one of these English Laundry fragrances, these cheapies, spray them on. They do the trick. They smell pleasant. And even if they last like 3 hours, they work perfectly for that kind of a scenario. Or like if I'm running to the store sometimes before I go to bed, I'm going to grab something to wear because I'm a fragrance freak and I want to wear a fragrance. These are great for that. Just spray on a cheap English Laundry fragrance. You're going to smell good to run to the store. Anyways, I'm rambling. I would say if you can find this one out and about in the little collector set, like I got the pack of 4, like $19.99, that's a good price. You're going to get 4 small bottles that all smell pretty good. That's always a good grab. Or if you can grab the big bottle itself or the 2 bottles combined for like maybe $24.99, $29.99 for this one, maybe because it performs well. But I usually like to see English Laundry a lot cheaper than that. Hey guys, if you liked the video, drop me a like. It lets YouTube know the video is worth a damn and the channel's worth a damn. It would be helping me out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't already, but you probably should. Until next time, guys, I will leave you how I always leave you. Take your vitamins, hit the gym, always stay improving. God bless, be well, I'm out.